Area. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed curve is called its area. In the figure, the shaded region shows the surface enclosed by the closed curve. So, the shaded region is the area of the figure. Area is measured in the square units of length. Area of a square of side 1 centimeter is 1 square centimeter. Area of a square of side 1 meter is 1 square meter. Similarly, area of a square of side 1 kilometer is 1 square kilometer. We can use a square paper to find the area of a plane figure. A 1 centimeter square paper is shown here. So, area of each square is 1 square centimeter. To find the area of a plane figure, we count the number of unit squares enclosed by it. Consider the given shape. It encloses 48 small squares. Since area of each square is 1 square centimeter, its area is 48 square centimeters. Let us find the area of rectangles ABCD and PQRS shown here. We see that rectangle ABCD contains 36 small squares. So, its area is 36 square centimeters. Also, length and breadth of ABCD is 9 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively. In the same way, we see area of rectangle PQRS is 15 square centimeters. Also, length and breadth of PQRS as 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters respectively. What to be concluded? That is, we see that in each case, area of a rectangle equal to the product of its length and breadth. Here, it should be noted that before applying the formula, both the length and breadth are expressed in the same unit. For example, to find area of a rectangle of length 1 meter and breadth 80 centimeters. Here, we express 1 meter as centimeter, or we express 80 centimeters as meters. Observe the given example. Since square is a rectangle whose length and breadth are same, area of a square is equal to length multiplied by length or side multiplied by side. Now, let us discuss how to find the area of irregular shapes. When the figure whose area is to be estimated does not cover the unit squares completely everywhere, we proceed as below. Count each complete square as 1. If a square is more than half, count it as 1. If a square is exactly half, count it as half. If a square which are less than half is 0. Now, let us find the area of this shape. It contains 62 complete squares and 6 squares which are more than half and 4 squares which is having half square. So, area of this figure is equal to 62 plus 6 plus 4 by 2 square centimeters, which is equal to 70 square centimeters. Let us solve few examples. Here we have a square of side 5 centimeters. Formula for finding area of a square is side square or side into side. So, area of this square is equal to side into side, that is 5 centimeters into 5 centimeters, which is equal to 25 square centimeters or centimeter square. Here we have a square of 4 centimeters side. Area of a square is equal to side into side or side square, which is equal to 4 into 4, which is equal to 16 square centimeters or centimeter square. One more problem. Here we have a rectangle of length 7 centimeters and breadth 3 centimeters. We have to find out area. Formula to find area of rectangle is just multiply length with breadth. So, area of rectangle is the product of length and breadth. Therefore, area is equal to 7 centimeters into 3 centimeters, which is equal to 21 centimeter square or square centimeter. Remember, area is always mentioned in square units. What will be the area of rectangle with length 9 centimeters and breadth 5 centimeters? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 9 centimeters into 5 centimeters, which is equal to 9 5s are 45 centimeter square or square centimeter. Problems. A playing card is 5 centimeters wide and 10 centimeters tall. What is its area? Solution. The card is a rectangle of 5 centimeters wide and 10 centimeters tall. We have to find the area of this rectangle. Let us use the formula. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. We know that the length is 5 centimeters. Let's put that value in. We know that the breadth is 10 centimeters. Let's put that value in. We multiply them to get the area. Area of the card is 50 square centimeters. Next problem. A classroom has a length of 32 meters and a width of 28 meters. What is the area of the classroom? The classroom is a rectangle. It is 32 meters long and 28 meters wide. We have to find the area of a rectangle. Let us use the formula. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. We know that the length is 32 meters, put the value in, and we know that breadth is 28 centimeters, put the value in. Then we multiply them to get the area. Therefore, area of the classroom is 896 square meters. Next question. Which playground is bigger, a rectangular one measuring 120 meters in length and 52 meters in breadth, or a square one of side 110 meters? Solution. Let's look at the area of the first playground. The ground is a rectangular shape. It is 120 meters long, 52 meters wide. We have to find the area of the rectangle. Let us use the formula. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. We put in the length, that is 120 meters, and breadth, that is 52 meters. And multiply to get the area. Therefore, the area of rectangular ground is 6240 square meters. Now, let us consider the area of the square ground. It has a side 110 meters. The area of a square ground is side into side. We put in the values, that is 110 meters into 110 meters, and find the area. The area of the square is 12,100 square meters. We have both the areas. Now, which ground is bigger? The square ground is bigger. Next problem. Find the expenses of painting a blackboard of length 10 meters and breadth 8 meters at the rate of rupees 42 per square meter. Solution. The blackboard is a rectangular shape. It is 10 meters long and 8 meters wide. We have to find the area of this rectangle. Let us use the formula. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Then we multiply them. That is 10 meters into 8 meters and get the area. The area of the blackboard is 80 square meters. We have to find the cost of painting the board. Painting 1 square meter costs rupees 42. So, the cost of painting the board is the area of the board multiplied by rupees 42. We put in the value, that is 80 centimeters into 42 rupees and get the answer. It costs rupees 3,360 to paint the board. Therefore, the painting cost is 3,360 rupees. Find the area of this figure. If we observe, this is an irregular rectangle. If you observe clearly, one piece is missing here. So, 3 steps for finding area like these shapes. First step is split the shape into rectangles. Look here, I inserted this line. So, now I have a rectangle here and I have a rectangle or square here. And we can divide in this way also to make 2 rectangles or square. Now I am going back to my first line. Step 2 is find the area of each rectangle. Now let us take a look at top rectangle. We already know the formula. Find area is length into breadth. In this top rectangle, this line is 9 feet. So, this line is also 9 feet. And I have breadth 4 feet. Therefore, the area of this rectangle is 9 times 4 is 36 square feet. Now, look at the bottom one. This is little bit tricky. We can see this line is 6 feet. So, this line is also 6 feet. I don't know the length of this side. But we know 10 feet is the total length of this line. We have to find out this side to find area of this square. We know that this side is 4 feet. So, this is equal to this side. Yes, so from this here to here we have 4 feet. Therefore, 10 minus 4 is 6. Therefore, the area of this square is side into side 6 into 6, 36 square feet. Now, step 3 is add the two areas together. So, 36 plus 36, which is equal to 72. Feet square or square feet.